Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. My name is Glory. Today I'm sharing with you something super important, what I wish I knew before coming to Germany, especially the German language. Trust me, this is something I wish someone told me earlier before coming down to Germany. Before I moved to Germany, I thought I could survive with just English. After all, English is everywhere, right? But reality hits different the moment I landed here. Yes, some German speaks English, but when it comes to real life, work, paperwork, hospitals visits, buying train tickets, you will realize fast that German is the key. One thing I've come to respect about German is how they cherish their language. It's a big part of their identity. Even though Germany is modern and global, most people prefer to speak German, especially in official settings. Knowing the language isn't just about communication, it's about the connection and respect. Learning German language changed everything for me. I could ask for help confidently. I understood job offers and contracts. I could explain myself at the doctors and finally start making German friends. Speaking the language helps you feel you belong instead of just surviving. When you speak German, doors open. You can apply for more jobs, do a vocational training, which is known as Ausbildung, or even study for free in a German university. You can volunteer, network, or start your own business. And if you plan to stay long term, speaking German language is often a requirement for permanent residency or citizenship. Here is the truth. German is not easy at first, but do not give up. There are amazing free and paid resources, apps, YouTube channel, language courses that can help you step by step. And do not worry about being perfect. German appreciates it when you try. You don't have to be very perfect because you are in the learning process. All you need to do is to speak the best that you can. It will really help you a long way to integrate in the society. The language is the key here. When you can speak the language, you can apply for a lot of jobs. You can do a lot of things because you can confidently express yourself. So try and speak the best that you can and try to learn more. So if you are planning to relocate to Germany or you are already here in Germany, start learning the language. It will change your life. It will change your life. It will open more doors for you. It will help you a lot because the language is the in thing here. There's no way you can escape it. You must know how to speak the language. You must know how to express yourself. Let me know in the comments what's your hardest part of learning the German language. And if you know how to speak the language already, share your tips with us in the comments. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Thank you for tuning in today. I really appreciate. Remember to like, comment, and share this video to a friend who is planning to relocate to Germany. One funny thing about Germany is that when you come across a German and you maybe someone that does not know how to speak the language, you speak English and you are like, oh, can I speak English or do you understand English? The response you always get is a little bit, a little bit. You know, they always tell you a little bit. They don't always want to speak English because they want you to learn their language. They love their language so much. They appreciate their language so much. And they are happy with anyone that speaks the language with them. So it is something you cannot run away from. It is something that you just have to learn. Because if you want to work, where you are working, that is the language they speak. If you want to school here, that is the language they use. So if you don't learn the language, how will you understand what you are being taught in school? How will you communicate in your place of work? So the language is of essence. Take your time to study the language. You can use the YouTube channel. There are different kinds of videos that can teach you how to speak the language. Or you can search for some apps. You know, there are a lot of ways you can learn this language. Take your time to learn this language. If at all you want to be here in Germany, you want to live here, you want to school here, you want to work here, then the first thing that you have to do is to learn the German language. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And also share this video with someone who needs it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Hoping to see you again in my next one. Bye-bye.
Glosal fashion and lifestyle.